Hello, everybody. Online teacher Sam here, and I'm back with another tip and trick for you and your ManyCam use. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit a preset while you are live and actively teaching. Now, this happens to me often. Maybe I'm talking to a student and our lesson is going to take us somewhere around the world, or it's going to introduce some seasons, or just something, maybe I want to change a background and I don't want to do it right in front of the student. It's so cool. We can do everything right behind the scenes. Now, this big box right here in front, that is called our live view, right? So anything that is happening in this box is what the student is seeing. Now, if I look down at my feed number one, which is right over here. Now, this feed, I would like to change the background. Now, as you can see, it is a classroom background, and maybe for my students, we're talking about the mountains. And so when I go to preset number one, I'm gonna want the background to be the mountains. So here I am talking to my student. We're having a grand old time, a great lesson. I'm gonna hover my cursor right over the number one, and I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to click the word edit. Now, you can see right up at the top over here, it says edit source. This means this is not what the student is seeing. They're seeing what's behind that video that I showed you before. This is just for your viewing only. It's kind of cool. So what I can do is, while I'm still talking to my student, I can go in and change the background. Maybe I want to change it to the mountains that is already preloaded in the ManyCam software. They have so many beautiful pictures, or I want to incorporate a picture on my own. It doesn't matter. So now I can choose to go ahead and exit out right there. Or I can go ahead and click on transition. So I'm gonna just exit out real quick so you can see that that preset number one right over there now shows that background. So if I transition right on over to preset number one, there I have the beautiful backgrounds behind me, and my student didn't know any different. Now I'm gonna show it to you again a different way. Let's look at preset number 7. This is where I just was, right here in preset number 7. Let's say I want to change that background now. I could actually also do it from this list. I can go into my presets. Now I can go to preset number 7 and I can click on this little preview and edit icon. And when I click on it, the same thing happens. It pops right up. I can then do any changes that I want to do. I mean, maybe this time instead, I want to keep the background, but I want to have a text box ready to go to greet my student, and I could do that. Hello. How are you? I mean, anything I want, right? So now if I were to go ahead and transition over to the slide, it's right there. It's there for my student to see. So go ahead, edit your slides, edit your presets, however you want to do it when you're not in there. The student doesn't know. You can go ahead and call up all the effects, change your background, use some of the great tools that are in ManyCam right behind the scenes. It doesn't affect your live video. I hope you found this helpful. I use this every day. Good luck and happy ManyCamming. Take care. Bye.